pwedeng hindi dala ng pulis.
So ang sabi po ninyo, hindi naman kailangan yung warrant eh, kaya hindi ninyo pinakita. Tama po ba yun?
Dito
Ma'am,
hindi makasagot.
That is a very, very different interview in the aftermath. But I'm talking of...
Hindi na alam paano sumagot.
Anong pinag-uusapan sa interview?
Ano na?
I'm talking about the... we have already veered on the general
to the rescue.
Rules on the warrantless, on the service of the warrants. Because during the time, and up to this time, there are still a lot of people saying that I'm wrong in there, that you cannot arrest a person with a warrant that you know as a person has a warrant, yet you cannot serve it without the fiscal warrant. So, all the lawyers know here that I'm right there.
Kailangan ng warrant as soon as practicable. At hinihingi talaga ni former president. Di ba hinihingi niya?
Pag umaresto ka ng tao, pag inaresto ka ng pulis, pwedeng hindi dala ng pulis ang warrant mo.
Very confident.
Pwede. Sasabihin lang ng pulis kayo, uy, arestado ka, may warrant ka. Nasaan ang warrant? Doon sa estasyon, halika na. That's perfectly legal.
Legal. Tapos, a few moments
pag umaresto ka ng tao, pag inaresto ka ng pulis, pwedeng hindi dala ng pulis.
A few moments
so, ang sabi po ninyo, hindi naman kailangan yung warrant eh, kaya hindi ninyo pinakita. Tama po ba yun?
Ma'am, that is a very, very different interview in the aftermath. But I'm talking of...
Anong pinag-uusapan sa interview?
Ayusin mo, hindi ka na makasagot.
And I'm talking about we have already veered on the general rules on the warrantless, on the service of the warrants. Because during the time, and up to this time, there are still a lot of people saying that I'm wrong in there, that you cannot arrest a person with a warrant that you know as a person has a warrant, yet
script nyo.
You cannot serve it without the fiscal warrant. So, all the lawyers know here that I'm right there.
Kailangan ng warrant
as
soon as practicable. At hinihingi talaga ni former president. Di ba hinihingi niya? Hinihingi ng abogado niya, asan yung warrant? Tama, di ba hinihingi nila? Anong pinakita nyo?
We gave them the electronic copy of the warrant, and it was given to them by Yusek Nikiti together with PG Fadulion. It was received by General Monteagudo.
Anong klase yung itsura ng warrant? ICC, Interpol?
It's ICC warrant, ma'am.
ICC warrant?
Yes, ma'am.
Bulong
was directed to the Interpol. That was the attachment of the diffusion order.
Bulong pa.
Pero ayon sa ating batas, di ba? Napakaliwanag naman na yung court o judge kinakailangan Pilipino. Hindi naman sakop noon yung Interpol, yung ICC. Bakit naging warrant rin sa Pilipinas yun?
I will defer the answering to that question to the DOJ, ma'am, because I was with the DOJ during the time, and it was the DOJ...
Hindi, nandun si Prosecutor Fadulion eh. Kaya nga. Ng Miranda right.
Papalusot pa kayo, DOJ. Ginagawa nyo lang si Remulla as your defensive lawyer kasi kayo yung tinatanong, gusto nyong ipasa yung sagot kay Remulla kasi napakatalino talaga nitong si Remulla yung baliin yung mga sinasabi nila noon nas iba na ngayon. Ang talino eh. Nakita ninyo kung paano sumasabat-sabat itong si Remulla. Si Remulla na hindi naman siya yung tinatanong pero biglang magbabatin, tapos bastos pa, nagsasalita pa yung senador, nagtatanong pa, bumabatin. Kaya talagang alam na, nakita ninyo kung paano napahiya din itong si John Vic Remulla.
Parang apat yung pinangalanan sa isang interview ng ating secretary ng DILG.
Can I answer that, ma'am?
Yes, please, you're recognized.
The question was, who planned this? I did not state in any way who planned it. The meeting was of executive privilege. It is a conversation between the president and the ones I mentioned. There were...
Mabuti na lamang may video, ano? Kasi kahit anong deny ninyo, meron kaming record niyan.
Ang siyang nagplano.
Kasi we're already invoking executive privilege in this matter. Yes.
We're invoking executive privilege.
Biglang bat-in itong si Boying. Ikaw ba talaga yung lawyer nila? Bakit parang ikaw yung utak dito? Si John Vic ang tinatanong, bigla kang bumabat-in?
It goes as far as the interview, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'd like to understand. I think your brother was trying to
did not
explain
state in any
what
way.
he said in the interview, and I'm
They
happy to
asked
hear
me
it.
if I
Deny pa
planned
more.
it. I said it was not me. There were other people in the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Saan nanggaling yung mga pangalan na ito?
Ma'am, that again is executive privilege. Ma'am, let
Pero
me explain, ma'am. Let me
nandun
explain
sa
first, ma'am.
interview po eh.
Yes,
Ang
ma'am.
liwanag
Let
eh.
me explain first, ma'am. We were discussing rumors.
Pa-play na nga lang yung video.
Na lang natin para maintindihan, ha?
What was and who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was
na.
you and the president.
Yes.
So
Yabang
ikaw
na eh.
ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chidoro
Group
was
effort.
there. Secretary Anyo was there too. And the president and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira. I stand by that, ma'am. Last man standing doon sa Malacanang. I stand by that. Kasi Secretary Chidoro was working out of his office.
Eh, napakaliwanag po ng sinabi
Yes, ma'am.
ninyo. Wala
Secretary
namang
Anyo, of
mapakiyaw-kiyaw
course,
dun sa
yes, ma'am.
sinabi.
Yes, ma'am.
Pinutol kasi dyan eh. Pero sinabi niya dyan, yung relevance ng kanyang sinabi dyan, si Gibo, may function siya, kanyang standby sa kanyang office. Si Anyo na may alam sa intelligence. So, ibig sabihin, group effort talaga. So, ano yung chismis? Ganon?
Nangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Eh, sinabi ninyo eh.
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege. But, ma'am,
Executive.
Walang
I-
executive
I-
privilege
I-
kasi binunyag na
I
ninyo sa
must
TV.
state it very clear, that there was no mastermind. We were discussing
Kayo nga, sabi
mainly
mo, group effort.
about what the president's statements were in Hong
Apat
Kong.
kayo.
And it was based all on that statement, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isa.
There was
Oo.
no planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
I said, hindi ako nagplano. Marami
May
kami-
isang grupo
Oh.
na
Ang-
nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am. And that was all.
Rumor.
Rumor lang yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Ang tanong niya kung ikaw ang nagplano, tapos sabi mo,
There was no
hindi,
planning,
group
ma'am.
effort.
There was no planning, ma'am.
Anong
Earlier-
in-effort ng group
Ma'am,
kapag hindi
let
plano?
me make
I think that
Oy, sabat na naman.
executive privilege already, ma'am. I think that we please
No, I'm
respect
just
our...
asking him to explain the media.
Yes, ma'am. But
Yes,
it's already
I'm
a very... between
Sabat ka ng sabat.
I will,
and a major statement. But there's a very thin dividing line, ma'am.
Understood.
I hope that we can respect executive privilege.
understood, and the Senate and
Nabu-
the Secretary Chudor.
Nabubuking kasi kayo. Ay, pati rin dito, no? Pati rin dito sa diffusion, talagang booking na booking talaga.
So, ibig sabihin, di siya principal, indirect pa?
Parang ganun po yung
Eh,
understanding.
sino yung direct? Saan na yung direct? Ba't hindi inuna?
Sino? Wala.
Pangkaraniwan ba to na hinuhuli muna yung indirect kesa sa direct? Form lettering pa ba to?
Iba ho kasi ang legal language na ginagamit
Galing
ng iba't ibang bansa sa kanila hong pagbibigay ng communication.
Eh, malinaw,
Tama po.
indirect niya
Siyempre,
eh.
iba-iba yan. At saka translated to in many languages.
Opo.
Pero yung indirect, sa palagay ko, kahit Frances man yan or High German Swiss, ganyan pa rin indirect. Hindi siya principal.
Hindi kasi ho, ano nga eh, yung legal system po depende ho sa kanilang pagkasulat ng kanilang mga batas.
Galing
Kasi
nga.
kagaya ho sa atin, conspiracy po ang tawag natin dyan, di sa ating bansa. Co-conspirator po ang tawag sa isang taong
Tama.
participate sa
Kaya
isang
nga,
krimen.
eto co-perpetrator.
Yun nga ho yun,
Pero
marahil ay,
indirect.
marahil
Main.
yun po yung definition niya ay lumalapit po sa ating definition na conspiracy sa ating bansa. So yun po yun.
Kasi yan, yung indirect, hindi direct, di po ba?
Oh, ganun din naman sa conspiracy eh.
Eh kaya nga,
Oo.
kaya nga nagtataka lahat. Bakit siya unang hinuli? Bakit siya dinampot bigla? Hindi naman pala siya yung bida. Hindi naman siya yung kontrabida.
Pero sinabi ho na co-perpetrator.
Tama, pero
kasabwat. Sinabi ho diyang kasabwat.
Oh, di nasaan yung main.
Ngayon, tignan natin. Action upon arrest of the person in conformity with national laws or the applicable bilateral and multilateral treaties. Ibig sabihin, hindi yung kidnapping or yung
Hindi
extraordinary
po kidnapping. Wala ho nangyaring kidnapping, ma'am.
Pero may extradition. Bakit
Hindi, meron ho dalawang option yan eh.
Ang haba ng
Ang
proseso.
international humanitarian law gives us two options.
Walang nakasulat
There are
dito.
two options under international humanitarian law.
I'm just
The first
talking
option is
about the
extradition.
diffusion.
Ngayon, gusto mong sasabihin may dalawang law. May surrender at extradition. Nakalagay dyan, malinaw, extradition. Ano to? Ang diffusion, kung ano yung nakasulat, hindi pala yun. Pagsisinungaling, yan, Interpol to